To change the user account name, click on Search, type Control Panel, click on Control Panel here, click on View by drop-down menu, select Category, click on User Account, change account type. Here I have some users. I'm going to change this Alice account name. Click on this account. You will find here some options. The first option is change the account name. Click on change the account name. Here you will type the new account name. I'm going to type Tommy and change the account name from Alice to Tommy. Now click on change name button. The account name has been changed. Close control panel. Click on that menu. Click on the username. The account name has been changed to Tommy. If you do not see the account name here, you just need to restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, you will find here the account name has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.